What in the world do I do with these things? My hands. That's absolutely one of the top questions I get from people all over the globe. There's so much misunderstanding, misinformation about hands. A lot of people assume that somehow it's unprofessional to move your hands when you speak. So they freeze their hands, they hold their hands, they grab papers, pens, grab lecterns, grab a table if they're sitting down for a TV interview. All of those things are horrible. There's also this perception that only people in certain cultures use their hands, and if people use their hands, they look like a bad stereotype of people from that culture. Not true. I work with people from 6 continents. I work all over the globe. I can tell you, in every single culture, when people are comfortable, confident, and relaxed in speaking, their hands move. My recommendation is to move your hands when you speak. Now, I covered this earlier in the section on body language for being on TV, but I just have to stress it. The second you freeze your hands, you create this negative chain reaction that freezes your body, freezes your voice, makes you look scared, stiff, nervous. My recommendation, move your hands. In fact, even do a little more than usual. Well, TJ, won't that be distracting? No. It might be to you when you're watching yourself. In my experience, people often misdiagnose. They look at a video of themselves, see their hands moving, they think, oh my gosh, that's awful. And yet, when they watch 10 other people in the room on video, they're not bothered at all by those people moving their hands. In theory, can you move your hands too much? It's possible. All I can tell you is that in working with now 100,000 students online, I've never seen anyone move their hands too much. In working with tens of thousands of people around the globe in person, I've never yet had someone move their hands too much. Yet I routinely see people freeze their hands. It makes them look scared, stiff, and nervous. So the answer to the question, what do you do with your hands? Do what you do all day long when you speak and you're relaxed. You move your hands.